Welcome to the History of United Arab Emirates, UAE, a modern and flourishing nation nestled in the Arabian Peninsula, boasts a rich history that spans millennia. From ancient trade routes to a modern global hub, the UAE's evolution is a testament to its resilience, adaptability, and strategic location. This article takes you on a captivating journey through the history of the United Arab Emirates, exploring its roots, transformations, and emergence as a prominent player on the world stage. Ancient beginnings. The history of the UAE is deeply intertwined with its geographical location, bridging the gap between the East and the West. Long before the modern state came into existence, the region was inhabited by various indigenous tribes engaged in trade and maritime activities. These communities relied on fishing, herding, and limited agriculture to sustain themselves. The location of the UAE along ancient trade routes, including the famed incense route, enabled interactions with diverse cultures, enriching the local traditions. Early civilizations. The region's history features connections to several powerful ancient civilizations, including the Sumerians, Akkadians, and Persians. From the 7th century BCE onward, the area was a focal point for maritime trade due to its strategic position along the Arabian Sea. It served as a gateway for precious goods like spices, silk, and precious metals that flowed between the Indian subcontinent and the Roman Empire. Islamic influence. The advent of Islam in the 7th century CE brought significant changes to the region. Coastal settlements like Dubai and Ras Al Khaimah became important ports for Islamic traders. The establishment of Islamic dynasties, such as the Umayyad and Abbasid caliphates, further solidified the UAE's role as a hub for trade and culture. European colonialism and Ottoman rule. By the 16th century, European colonial powers started to establish their presence in the region. Portuguese and Dutch fleets sought control over the maritime trade routes. Meanwhile, the Ottoman Empire extended its rule, leading to the establishment of coastal forts to protect territories. However, the influence of these colonial powers eventually waned due to local resistance and changing global dynamics. Pearl diving and the Trucial States. In the 19th century, the UAE's economy experienced a shift as pearl diving became a major industry. Pearls were highly valued in international markets, driving economic growth in coastal towns. This era also marked the emergence of the Trucial States, a group of sheikdoms that maintained a complex balance of power, alliances, and rivalries. Discovery of oil. The 20th century brought a transformative change to the UAE with the discovery of oil. The oil boom, beginning in the 1950s, fundamentally altered the region's economic landscape. Abu Dhabi, with its vast oil reserves, emerged as a leading player, while Dubai transformed itself into a trading and financial center. The newfound wealth allowed for infrastructure development, improved living standards, and modernization initiatives. Union formation. The dream of a unified Arab nation gradually took shape in the mid-20th century. In 1971, 6 of the Trucial States Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Al Quwain, Fujairah, and Ayman united to form the United Arab Emirates. Ras Al Khaimah joined the union shortly after. The visionary leadership of the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founding father of the UAE, played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's identity and unity. Modernization and global influence. Post-Union, the UAE embarked on an ambitious journey of development and modernization. The leadership recognized the limitations of relying solely on oil revenue and diversified the economy into sectors like finance, tourism, real estate, and technology. This diversification strategy, coupled with a pro-business environment, attracted foreign investment and talent. Dubai, in particular, emerged as a global hub, captivating the world with its iconic skyline, luxurious resorts, and cutting-edge infrastructure. The city became a melting pot of cultures, attracting expatriates from around the world. Cultural heritage and tolerance. While the UAE embraced modernity, it also took great strides to preserve its cultural heritage. The leadership nurtured a sense of national identity, emphasizing the importance of the Arabic language, traditional values, and customs. The UAE's commitment to tolerance and multiculturalism is exemplified by its status as a safe haven for people of various nationalities, religions, and backgrounds. Global diplomacy and future aspirations. In recent years, the UAE has expanded its influence on the global stage. Its commitment to diplomacy, peacekeeping, and humanitarian efforts has garnered international recognition. The signing of the Abraham Accords in 2020 marked a historic normalization of relations between the UAE and Israel, fostering hopes for regional stability and cooperation. Looking ahead, the UAE continues to set ambitious goals, including advancements in space exploration, sustainable development, and technological innovation. As the nation diversifies its economy and focuses on knowledge-based industries, its journey through history provides a solid foundation for a prosperous future.
The history of the United Arab Emirates is a story of resilience, transformation, and progress. From its early roots as a trading hub to its emergence as a global player, the UAE's journey is a testament to the visionary leadership, strategic thinking, and adaptability of its people. As the nation navigates the challenges and opportunities of the modern world, it does so with a deep appreciation for its cultural heritage and an unwavering commitment to shaping a brighter future for generations to come.